And looking back to last summer, we had more than 50 days of 100-degree temperatures here in North Texas. And we know that the summer here in this state can be brutal. Those temperatures can be so hot, and they can be especially dangerous for folks who are aging. The Senior Source is working hard, though, to make sure that our seniors do have access to functional air conditioning. That way to beat the heat AC drive is underway now, and Stacey Malcolmson, who is the president and CEO of the Senior Source, is here with us live in studio to talk about how we can all pitch in to help keep seniors cool this summer. And first things first, you mentioned this is a population that sometimes is vulnerable because even if you're in a home, it may be an aging home where you've got some issues that make staying cool really difficult.
Yeah, and it's the heat is especially dangerous for seniors because they may be on medication that causes more dehydration. They're probably not used to drinking as much water as we are because that wasn't really a habit that they grew up with. And as you mentioned, their homes can be much older, not as well insulated. And we want to make sure that people have cool and consistent air because just AC in your bedroom is not going to cut it for our brutal temperatures in the summer.
So those are some of the potentially mitigating factors. Let's talk about the Beat the Heat AC drive. How does this work and how can folks get involved?
Sure. So we partner with TXU Energy, and our goal is to distribute 300 AC units at the Community Missionary Baptist Church in Cedar Hill this Saturday. And we also have a resource fair because although we want to give AC units to people, adults 55 plus who don't have them, we also have resources where they can learn about how to keep themselves safe for the summer and have food security and all of the benefits that they need just to have a great quality of life.
So you're hoping to meet quite a few needs through all of this. How many people are you hoping to help?
Yeah, our goal is 300 people. We've got about 200 people signed up, so we've got room for more people to get involved. They can go to our website and register. Adults 55 plus who don't have cool air or consistent cool air in their homes.
And for folks that want to contribute, want to get involved, what's the best way they can do so?
Yeah, so $250 buys an AC unit for a home. People can go to our website, theseniorsource.org. And we also encourage people to check on their elderly neighbors to make sure that they have cool air. And if they don't, they can register their neighbors for an AC unit.
Do you see this as a problem that is, people are getting more aware of or is growing in need from summer to summer?
Well, we're certainly, yes, and we're grateful for TXU Energy to help us with this AC drive. The 300 units we give out this Saturday, we're actually expecting to do another drive in mid-July because once people hear about us, the summer just gets hotter and hotter. And so giving the AC units in June is a great start, but we know there'll be more demand throughout the summer.
Well, we know those triple-digit days are coming soon. We're hopeful that we don't have too many of them this summer, but I know that you guys are doing great work. So definitely want to thank Stacey for showing up here today and sharing your story. And folks, if you'd like to get involved, you can just check out the Senior Source website, which is at theseniorsource.org. And